The development of technology and the rise of cities have enabled humans to travel freely between sky and earth. Elevators have become an indispensable means of transportation in people's daily lives. Elevator industry of China has also developed rapidly in the past few decades. Founded in 2013, Tours Elevator Company Limited integrates manufacturing, R&D, and sales. The company is located in Suzhou, the most prosperous Yangtze River Delta region in China. It has convenient transportation by staying next to Shanghai. Based on high-quality products and competitive prices, the company aims to provide customized elevator and escalator solutions for each overseas customer, including passenger elevators, home elevators, freight elevators, hospital elevators, panoramic elevators, escalators, etc. So far, the company has stable partners in more than 10 countries, and its products have been installed in more than 20 countries. High-level quality control, professional technical training, and fast reaction on after-sales. Tours is gradually building its reputation and earning trust worldwide. Tours aspires to be a responsible Chinese elevator company taking root in China and serving the world. Tours Elevator, towards better life.